What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and today we need to talk about Hedera. Yes, we need to talk about Hedera hashgraph, that's Hbar, and this is to clear up something that a previous commenter was talking about. They were saying that we're going into a bullish pattern here, saying that we have the triple candlestick. So they're saying that we're going into a bullish pattern here, which is this pattern they're talking about here, the triple candlestick. This is how it goes. It'll go down and continue to go down. That's what they are saying. Now, this is actually possible, but the only reason why I'm disagreeing is because yes, we will go into like a temporary little bullish market, but I'm talking about for the long term. And when I'm talking about swing trading, I swing trade like long term, which is definitely something that you don't really hear. But let's say I bought Hedera right here. I'm not looking to sell Hedera in a month. I'm looking to sell Hedera in a few months at a bigger profit. So like, let's go back here when we see that we actually had a similar triple candlestick back here, and we actually went down after that. So that's like right over here. I guess you could say that this is the triple candlestick, but it was going up. It was on a more of an uptrend, and you can see how that actually deceived us all. It actually went and dropped. Everyone thought it was going to continue to go up because that's what we're doing. It was the triple candlestick here, but it was going up. It was going on an uptrend, and then we just hit a random drop here. So we could actually do the same thing here, but when we look back here, this is a longer, more consistent little chart here, so we can definitely count on this one more. But as you can see, we could just randomly break out here and go up again. But if you're just trying to do like a short-term swing trade or a day trade, then yeah, I wouldn't recommend you to just purchase this if you're going on a short-term day trade or a swing trade. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But yeah, you don't want to just swing trade something just to do it, or just because you heard someone talking about it. But you would want to swing trade something because you know it's about to do something in the short term. So what I'm doing, when I buy this, I'm waiting for Dogecoin to jump right now, and when I'm profitable on Dogecoin, which could be in a month or two, as I said, my risk tolerance is really high, so I could hold Dogecoin for the next 7 months and be happy with seeing my money 90% down, because I'm not worried about the short term. Even though I am swing trading, I have a high risk tolerance. So if I see that something that I'm in on is actually down, I'm not going to go ahead and sell it because it's down. I'm going to wait it out. If I have to wait a year, 2 years, or 5 years, I'm dedicated to wait all of that time for it to go back up. So I'm not worried about that. That's why I trade the way I do. But that's also why I say I'm not a financial advisor. And none of this is financial advice, because I trade a lot differently than other people. I don't expect anyone to do any trades like me. And I don't expect anyone to buy and hold Hedera. But let's just hypothetically say we drop back down to our resistance here with Hedera. Let's just say we went back to back to 25 cents. We had a lot of resistance back here around 25 cents. So let's just say we did continue to go down here. We went from 30 cents to 25 cents. That's only a drop inside of 5 cents right there. We could do so much more than 5 cents. Like, yeah, we could drop 5 cents, but think about how much we could go up to. We already reached 44 cents. So I'm really looking at this from like a long-term perspective. And I guess I confused people because I said I was also a swing trader and a day trader. So yes, I also do swing trade and day trade. But the second anything goes to the negative, I'm not like everyone else where I sell when it goes down 5%. If I see it go down, that's when I end my swing trading and day trading strategy, and that's when I go in for the long haul. I was swing trading Dogecoin, and actually I went from $11,000 in Dogecoin all the way down to $7,000, and now I'm at $8,000. But now that I see that it is downtrending, I'm not going to go ahead and swing trade or day trade Dogecoin. I'm actually just going to hold Dogecoin until I'm positive on my investment. I'll never sell something that's negative. So even if I had to hold Dogecoin for 10 years, I would still do it. And that's actually why I think my investment strategy is different than a lot of people. A lot of people have lower risk tolerance. A lot of people don't want to put a bunch of money in something and see it go down. But honestly, if we did go down to 25 cents in Hedera, that's just a buying opportunity. And we could also see way more growth than we could see a dip. And let's just hypothetically say we went all the way down to 15 cents, right? this is a very low point in Hedera, which was another resistance point that we had. But let's just hypothetically said that we go all the way down to 15 cents. So whatever investment you had would go down 50%. That would still only be in the short term. Like if you would look at it from all the way down here, this is 15 cents. Let's just hypothetically say we went all the way down to 15 cents. If we did, it would take us about another month just to get back to where we were before, and then give it another month, and then we'll be double of what we were at before. So that's why I'm saying, even if we went down 50%, if you hold for the long term, and long term could be 1 month, long term could be 2 months, but in crypto, long term is definitely different than in stocks. Like in crypto, a few months is long in crypto. Like that, anything could happen in a few months. We've seen what happened to Dogecoin. So even if we dropped right now in Hedera all the way down to 15 cents, in 2 months we would be, or in 1 month we would be right back up to 30 cents. In 2 months we would be up to 60 cents. Like this is how crypto is moving right now. So that's why I'm trading the way that I do, is because I'm really optimistic with crypto in general, not because I have this huge advice on Hedera, not because I know everything about crypto or anything like that. It's because I'm really optimistic with crypto in general. So even if we seen a huge drop here in crypto, I would still be like all in. So I'm definitely really optimistic with all of them, and that's why, well, not all cryptos, but all of the ones I'm talking about, like Hedera, Cardano, Dogecoin, and Nano. Yeah, those ones you really want to pay attention to. Those are the ones I'm really big in on right now. But all of my money is only inside of Dogecoin because I'm negative inside of my Dogecoin trade. I got in Dogecoin, like I bought in again at 39 cents because I was swing trading it, and now it's at 30 cents. So I cannot sell Dogecoin until we are above 40 cents because I won't even sell if I break even. I want to do more than break even. So really, I'm waiting for Dogecoin to be 40, 45 cents, possibly even 50 cents. But yeah, that's why I'm saying I have a different investment strategy. I'm not just going to go ahead and tell you y'all to buy Hedera, because yes, if you look at this, the triple candlestick here, we are projected to go down in the short term. But when we think about the long term, we are actually projected to go up in the long term. And that's why I'm not looking at this as a short term investment. I'm looking at it more so a long term investment. Like we can go all the way up here with Hedera. We could do way more in Hedera. We could grow way more than we could drop. So I definitely believe that Hedera is going to go up in the long term. In the short term, we may see a down to about here 25 cents and 15 cents. That was just me going way out of proportion just to show you all like the growth here that we have with Hedera. But yeah, we have a lot of growth potential here. Like look right here. Like we went all the way from here. Let's just go all the way right here. We went all the way from 3 cents all the way up to there to 10 cents inside of 1 month. We did that in 1 month. Look at this growth right here. That was 10 cents in 1 month. So even if we go down 5 cents, like even if we go down 5 cents right over here, we're still going to go up in the long term. Even if we go down 10 cents, even if we go down 15 cents, we will still go up in the long term. That's why I'm bullish here with Hedera, because we see it time and time again with all of our cryptos. Like yes, like every now and then we will have these huge drops like this, and they will be completely unpredicted. They just happen inside crypto. We just always have these type of drops. They always like to go down like this. You can't really predict them, but you can speculate, and you can speculate and you can make your decisions based upon those speculations. So my speculation here with Hedera is that we actually continue to grow from here. I would say even if we go down to that 5-10 cents, we will just wait about a month and a half, and we will definitely be up. So yeah, if you're looking to day trade Hedera, I would say hop out now. If you are looking to swing trade and you're already positive on your swing trade, I would say hop out now. But if you are looking to hold it for at least more than a few months, I would say definitely stay in, because what we're looking for right now with Hedera is to go all the way up to 50 cents within 2 months. We're definitely going to have 50 cents worth of growth within 2 months. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. It's just something that I'm saying, a little food for thought for now. But another thing about Hedera is look at this. Our circulating supply, we have a total of 7.9 billion circulating right now. But we can only go up to 50 billion. That means when all 50 billion Hedera, all 50 billion Hbar is bought up, no one can get any more unless they buy it from someone else. So no one can mine any more Hbar after this. No one can do that. Only way we can get it is from buying it from other people. This will drive the price up. Yeah, so what we see is with Dogecoin is complete opposite. Dogecoin, there's no cap on it. You can do as much Dogecoin as you want. There's already 129 billion Dogecoin inside supply. So if you look at the prices between Hedera and Dogecoin, they're at the same price right now. And if you look at the circulating supply, Hedera has way less. Hedera only has 7.9 billion circulating supply of coins, and then Dogecoin has a total of Dogecoin actually has a total of 129 billion circulating supply. So that's a huge difference, and it's a huge difference in market cap. If you see, Hedera only has 2.4 billion in market cap, and Dogecoin has 40 billion, but they're at the same price, and it's because of the deflationary difference between both of them. So you definitely need to look at this when dealing with cryptos. So Hedera is the more solid investment if you want to look at it from an investment point of view, from a long-term investment point of view. Hedera will be deflationary. Hedera will continue to go up over time because of its deflationary aspects. Hedera will continue to rise. Hedera has the circulating supply of 50 billion total, but we're only at 7.9 billion. So we're not even at half of the capacity that we could do with Hedera. So the growth that we have with Hedera is really big right now. So I would definitely say to continue to watch it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But another thing I wanted to mention here is people always say, buy the rumor, sell the news. I know that this article came out 1 month ago, but look at this. Rumor, Hedera working on the digital dollar with the central bank. This is really big. Even though it's a rumor, it's a big rumor. The U.S. Federal Reserve has announced that it is assessing a central bank digital currency, CBDC. The central bank has released the preconditions necessary for the launch of the digital dollar. Hedera is one of the platforms rumored to be potentially working on the CBDC. Hedera is backed by Google, IBM, Boeing, and LG Electronics. So we have big people backing Hedera here. So yeah, they said they're gonna create this digital dollar for the central bank. So this is definitely going to happen because we all know the United States, we all know the government wants to be in on crypto, and they want to regulate it as much as possible. And they know if they put a bunch of regulations on it right now without doing their own, their own crypto, they're going to get a lot of backlash. So instead of doing that, they're going to release their own crypto. They're going to try to make it the biggest one, and they're going to try to make it stand out the most. And what they're going to do is they're going to regulate this. So they're going to put their own out called a CBDC. That's what they're going to call it. The central bank, I guess DC would be digital currency. So central bank digital currency. So pretty much it'll be the dollar, but it'll be digital. So this is what they're really thinking about doing here. CBDC. Let's do some more research on it. Central banks are playing catch up as most global payments are now digital, and many companies are accepting crypto. However, a central bank digital currency would provide a low risk central bank backed money. Think of it like regular cash, only updated for the digital financial system. So yeah, they're trying to hop into the digital currency world here. This is really big. It's just a rumor that Hedera is going to be one of them that they're working on. But that's what you want. You want the rumors. You want to sell the news. Just like we had news that Doge Day 420 was happening. We were going up with the rumor before, but then when it actually became news and we actually went up on 420, we went down. It's because people knew what was happening, so people planned accordingly. When people know what's happening, they're going to sell ahead of time. When people don't know what's happening, when it's just a rumor, they're going to buy ahead of time, and they're going to make sure that they can make as much profits. So this is really big for Hedera right now. Let's look up the CBDC and then Hedera. Let's see if they are continuing with this. Let's see if we have any news, like anything new on this. So, and nothing new on it. So I guess so far it's still a rumor. So you still want to continue to buy it here. But yeah, I definitely believe we're still going to do something big with Hedera right here. India, the Reserve Bank of India considering Hedera. As we can see now, we have a lot of different people that are really big with Hedera. We have Boeing, we have IBM, we have a lot of things with Hedera right now. So yeah, this is just a little video that I wanted to make because I wanted to be transparent about my investment and make sure everyone knows I'm still all in on Doge until I'm positive on Doge. And then I'm going in on Hedera. And the reason why I'm doing the little analysis on Hedera now, so when Doge does go up, I know what I'm putting into. And so far, what I will be putting into the coming months will be Cardano, Hedera, Nano, and still Doge. So yeah, this is what I'm doing, and Ethereum Classic. I don't want to leave that out. But yeah, again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Check out the description. You can get a free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull just signing up, and you can now get Dogecoin on Webull. So yeah, definitely check out the link in the description, get your free stocks, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.